Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So in this video, guys, we're going to explain to you how to use the old webcams from the 2000s, which has an aperture of M12, which is like 12 millimeters on a microscope. Okay, so this is our microscope. This is the kind of camera that I'm talking about. Okay, the aperture here, as you can see, okay, is only 12 millimeters. Those 12 millimeters objective lenses are usually found in also the surveillance cameras. Okay, so in order to install it over here, on the microscope, okay, we have an adapter. You have to use this adapter, which is around like $15 from AliExpress. Again, I'm gonna put the link of it. So I'm gonna install those together. Okay, bind them together if you want to say. Okay, so this is called M12 to C adapter. This is a male side, which should be inserted over here and screwed up like this. Okay, this is the M12 side, and this side is the C mount side, which is M25. 25 millimeters. The M means the 25 millimeters, okay, and M12 is 12 millimeters, okay. So it has to go on the microscope. I'm going to show you how it should be installed, okay. So here, when I remove this, okay, I'll be getting here a C mount male, okay, screw. So it's better to remove the adapter first and then install it over here. Okay, and then we can go install the camera. Okay. Now, then I go install the camera like this. You have to understand that I have to just a little bit. Okay. So the camera has to go like holding the cable like this. Okay. So it does not entangle you, entangle the camera also. So, okay. Don't lose this objective lens, okay, that I told you about of the camera. So now put it somewhere over here. So I'm screwing the camera to the end. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to attach or plug in the USB camera. Okay, the USB cable here in the laptop, as you can see on the screen. Of course, we make the cable a little bit loose. Okay, give it some freedom. Okay, and then we can connect it. Okay. So what you see now, and the first picture, I'm just making the microscope and the telescope and the camera, I mean, viewable, okay. And then I have here, I've selected from my samples, and the box of samples, I have a box of 50 samples of histology, human histology. Here, this is the adrenal gland, human adrenal gland. This is a heart tissue. You can see here there's a little edge here, okay, the round edge. Okay, this is the one that's holding the tissue. Okay, then we will be able to see, once we see the edge, this means we can know where the sample is on the camera underneath the microscope. So So here, this is on 10 times objective lens from the bottom, okay? And this is from bottom at 4 times, so you have to focus it. Okay, so this is how things look like. Okay, and here I'm just moving the sample on the stage of the microscope. Okay, and this camera, by the way, is of a very low resolution. Just gives me like 600 by 640 by 480 resolution. This is an old one from the early 2000s, something like in the late 90s. This kind of webcam. Okay, and it still works. So I think it's a USB 1 or 2. Okay, webcam. It's not a USB 3, of course. So let's zoom in back. I have more zooms, as you can see. There are multiple objective lenses, but this is more than enough. Okay, and the focusing is on my responsibility, not on the cameras, because what I'm talking about is the clarity of the image and the quality of the image. Okay, the camera cannot do much more. Okay, don't have those 4K cameras. Okay. So I don't want to take it long. It's just about that screw adapter. Okay, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay. Just for maybe I will zoom more, no problem. This is on 40 times because things will give you the effect of thickness of the tissue. And start see the thickness of tissues. Okay, and the clarity will be very, very delicate. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.